Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and confirming stock or custom firmware. This prevents surprises. Once done, enable developer options and set the background process limit to 4 to reduce RAM thrash. Next, boot to recovery and clear the system cache partition to remove stale entries that waste memory. Make sure to disable aggressive battery savers because they swap processes unpredictably. Finally, note any custom kernel or memory modules so you can revert changes if an instability appears during testing. You now tune how the system uses RAM and swap to improve responsiveness. First, enable or resize ZRAM to about 50% of physical memory so compression reduces I/O. This lowers background app killing. Then, with kernel adiutor or a Magisk module, reduce VM. Swappiness to between 10 and 30 to prefer RAM over swap. It prevents unnecessary swapping. Also, set per app background limits using adaptive apps or the app settings to stop memory-hungry services from restarting and filling RAM repeatedly. You finish by validating stability. Reboot twice and run your usual apps and a heavy game to observe memory behavior. If apps still get killed, rollback kernel or Magisk module changes to defaults and retest. Sometimes aggressive tuning destabilizes services. When problems persist, capture logcat and demask after a crash to identify OOM killers or kernel messages. Make sure to note timestamps and actions. This information lets you or community experts diagnose whether a config or a buggy module caused the RAM regression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.